Do you think running approvals by email or carrying paper around is a bit archaic for the 21st century? Does your accounting department struggle with late and duplicate payments? Are you wasting time on organising the approval process, checking in with the approvers and chasing them? Not sure if you control your expenses properly? And your audit process is a nightmare? With ApprovalMax, there's a better way to do all of this. Our award-winning app helps automate the approval processes for accounts payable and accounts receivable. ApprovalMax saves time and effort spent on approving purchase orders and bills. It powers up Xero and QuickBooks Online with financial controls and enables hassle-free paperless accounting. Approvers get automated notifications and can make decisions wherever they are, without needing access to the general ledger. After all the approval steps are complete, the document is published to the accounting system. You set up the workflow once, and then it just runs like clockwork. ApprovalMax is the #1 tool to get your bills and expenses approved quickly and paid on time. 25% of our clients' invoices get approved in less than 2 hours, and 50% in less than a day. It's an easy, quick, and safe way to run approvals. So join our growing community of ApprovalMax users around the world and try it today.